Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show how to vote on Instagram polls. Click on your stories, click this layout, choose layout from here, click this plus icon and select photo. Again click this plus icon and select second photo. Click this done icon. Now click on emoji. Search here poll. Click this poll. You can write anything you want here. And I'm giving here A and B. Click on done. Tap and drag to reposition it. Click on send to your stories. Click on share. It's now uploading. Let's check it out. Now anyone can vote here. To view results, simply click about the poll, and here we can see all the results. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.